Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on mobile. Since Rocket League is not natively available on mobile, we'll explore cloud gaming. This method streams the full PC or console version directly to your phone. You'll need a strong internet connection and a good controller for optimal performance. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the game anywhere. Several excellent cloud gaming services can bring Rocket League to your mobile device. NVIDIA GeForce Now is a popular choice, known for its performance. Xbox Cloud Gaming also offers a great experience, especially if you have an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Amazon Luna is another strong contender. Each platform has unique features and pricing. To get started, first download the chosen cloud gaming app onto your mobile device. Make sure your phone or tablet meets the service's specifications. Next, pair a Bluetooth controller. An Xbox or PlayStation gamepad works perfectly. Finally, connect to a fast Wi-Fi network, preferably a 5 GHz connection, for the best streaming quality. To optimize your Rocket League experience, try reducing the in-game graphics settings. This can significantly improve streaming smoothness. Close any unnecessary background applications on your phone to free up resources. Playing closer to your Wi-Fi router will also help minimize latency. If your mobile data is exceptionally strong, it can sometimes offer a stable alternative.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.